Section 1. Introduction. The Hidden World of Ants. Ants are fascinating creatures that we often don't notice. Even though they are small, their presence and activities have a big impact on the world around us. Beneath our feet, there is a complex world inside ant colonies. These underground structures are true wonders of natural engineering. These insects, which live in communities, play a very important role in the ecosystem. Their ability to work as a team is amazing and essential for their survival. From scattering seeds to breaking down organic matter, their impact is undeniable. Ants help maintain ecological balance and soil health. On this journey, we are going to explore the life cycle of ants, from their humble beginnings as eggs to their transformation into worker ants. Each stage of their life is crucial for the development of the colony. Ants, despite being so small, show remarkable social organization. Their ability to divide labor and cooperate is an example of efficiency. Their life cycle, divided into four different stages, is proof of their adaptation and evolutionary success. From larvae to pupa, each phase is a testament to their resilience. Join us as we discover the wonders of this process, focusing on specific examples of Canadian species. We will see how these ants adapt to their environment and contribute to local biodiversity. Stage. Constant growth and feeding. From the eggs emerge white legless larvae. These larvae are extremely vulnerable and need constant care. The larvae have huge appetites and depend entirely on the worker ants to feed them. Workers search for and collect food from various sources. The workers regurgitate the already digested food to feed the growing larvae. This process ensures that the larvae receive the necessary nutrients. As the larvae feed, they shed their skin several times, a process called molting. This process is crucial for their development. Each molt marks a stage of growth. Ants go through several molts before reaching the next phase of their life cycle. Carpenter ant larvae, another common species in Canada, can spend several weeks in this stage, depending on the amount of food available and environmental conditions. The duration of this stage can vary significantly. Section 4. Transformation in the pupa, a deep sleep. When the larvae reach a certain size, they enter the pupa stage. The pupae of some species of ants weave silk cocoons to protect themselves during this very vulnerable stage. Others, like the Prenolepsis imparisans or winter ants found in Canada, do not make cocoons. Inside the pupa, very big changes are happening. The larval tissues reorganize, and the characteristics of an adult, such as legs, antennae, and wings, in the case of queens and males, begin to form. This stage can last from a few weeks to several months. Section 5. The awakening. The adult ant emerges. Finally, the adult ant emerges from the pupa. At first, its exoskeleton is soft and pale, but it hardens and darkens within a few hours. Newborn ants are cared for by the workers until they are ready to join the colony's work. The lifespan of an adult ant varies by species and caste. Worker ants usually live from a few months to a year. Queens usually live several years, even decades in some species. Section 6. Diversity in the anthill. Workers, queens, and males. Adult ants are divided into three main groups: workers, queens, and males. Workers are females that do not reproduce and are responsible for the daily work of the colony, such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and defending the anthill. Queens are the only females that can have babies in the colony, and their main function is to lay eggs. Males, which have wings, appear only during mating season. Their sole purpose is to fertilize the new queens. Section 8. Conclusion. A vital life cycle for the ecosystem. The life cycle of ants from egg to adult ant is a fascinating process that highlights the organization and efficiency of these insects that live in communities. Each stage of the cycle is crucial for the survival and success of the colony. Ants play a vital role in the ecosystem, and understanding their life cycle allows us to better appreciate their importance. From seed dispersal to soil aeration, ants contribute significantly to the health of our ecosystems.